Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you're doing wonderful in your life. Okay, so this is your general love reading for my beautiful, magical, lovely Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, then you can check your sunshine, moonshine, and rising shine. Okay, and it will not resonate with everyone. Okay, so if it doesn't resonate, you can skip it. Okay, Aquarius. uh, wow, it just flip out. I was just talking to you and it just flip out. Okay, so let's start your love reading. This is your general love reading. Okay, Aquarius, let's start. What are the messages for my lovely beautiful Aquarius? Okay, it's so powerful, Aquarius. You got 9 of Pentacles and the World card and Ace of Pentacles. So my lovely Aquarius, and bottom of the deck I'm having 2 of Wands. So yes, Aquarius, right now many of you are single, abundant, happy in your life. You are telling that I am single, abundant in my own way. Okay, this is single, abundant in your, you are already abundant, Aquarius. Okay, so you are feeling that feeling right now that you are single and abundant. Okay, very beautiful reading, starting with very beautiful message with this 9 of Pentacles. And Aquarius, you are completing a cycle, a karmic cycle, a completion of a cycle with the World card, and starting a new cycle. You got Ace of Pentacles. Some stable offer is coming towards you, Aquarius, with this Ace of Pentacles. Very beautiful reading. I love doing your reading, Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, and let me know in the comment section what are your views or anything else you want to know, Aquarius. So let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely, magical Aquarius all over the world. Please help me, guides, gods. Page of Sword. Okay, someone is spying on you, Aquarius. Page of Sword. Let's see all the cards, then I will let you know more. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Please help me, guide, God, spirit of pure white and light, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Okay, 8 of Pentacles, 7 of Swords and the Star. Aquarius, some of you are working so hard on your, and bottom of the deck I'm having 4 of Pentacles. Okay, so yeah, Aquarius, you are already single and abundant in your own way. You are unique. Okay, Aquarius, you must know that if you are not knowing. Okay, and you are already knowing this fact. Now you are happy, abundant, feeling very live again. That's why you are completing a cycles. Okay, so some solid stable offer is coming towards you with this Ace of Pentacles, but someone is spying on you, Aquarius, through this Page of Swords. Okay, this card means spying on you. Either you are spying on someone or someone is spying on you, but I'm getting that someone is spying on you, Aquarius, and you are working so hard on your money, on your love relationship, on your career. My Aquarius are working so hard. Can you see this man is working so hard? So this man, this is you, Aquarius. You are working so hard because I am looking energies towards from the side of you, Aquarius. Okay, from the point of view. So you are working so hard on your relationships, on your money, but there is some deceptive energy around you with this 7 of Swords. Someone is deceptive in your area, in your relationship, in your circle, in your aura. Someone is trying to sneak away. Can you see this man who is sneaking away? taking all the swords and looking behind you, that what my Aquarius are doing. So maybe this energy is very deceptive, but this is you, Aquarius, the star. You are rising as a star with new hopes and new desires. Wonderful energy, Aquarius. Lovely, Aquarius. Wow. Let's see what else my lovely Aquarius want to know. Help me, God, guide, spirits, angel, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Okay, yeah. Five of Pentacles. Either you walk away from a person or the person walk away from you, but I'm looking from your point of view. So you left out a situation, you walk away from that toxic deceptive behaviors or relationship in your life which were you dealing with. Okay, now Seven of Pentacles. Now you are looking at your money. Okay, you are looking at your relationships maybe, but the pentacle resembles money, so you're looking at them, that what they want to tell you. Yes, bottom of the deck I'm having Five of Wands. There were some conflicts, that's why you walk away from this person, from this toxic persons and relationship in your life. And that's very good. You don't have to stay in those relationships which is deceptive, Aquarius, which is, you know, toxic for you. So very nice, very nice. Or maybe this person is looking that you are rising as a star. This person is spying on you. Let's see what else message do you have. Okay, the Magician. This is you, Aquarius. You are manifesting new beginning in your life. The Magician card. You are manifesting all things. You are having all tools to manifest abundance of everything in your life. Very beautiful energy, Aquarius. Wow. Let's see what else you are having. Let me know. Guides, gods, spirits of pure light and white, help me out to give the best positive message. Okay, I got 3 cards for you, Aquarius. Three of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and wow, Aquarius, Ace of Swords. You, and bottom of the deck I am having the Strength card. Many of the Aquarius are getting back on track, because whatever the deceptive things or relationship were there in your life, you are moving ahead of it. You are leaving them behind. You are walking away from those things or those relationship or those people who were deceptive in your aura, in your life, Aquarius. Okay, you are moving away. You are leaving them behind. You don't want that such toxic people who make you feel, who give you deceptive, who make you feel that you are not abundant in your own life as a single person. So that's why you are leaving behind them and you're moving ahead, and you are manifesting this Three of Pentacles. Okay, but some Page of Pentacles. This is some offer, a small offer can be offered to you. Okay, you are getting your stable offer, Aquarius. You are getting your offer, and with this Ace of Swords you're getting your clarity. Basically, you are getting your clarity about relationship, life, whatever it is. You are getting to know that what you want to do. So many cards. Okay, I'm not going to take it because there are so many cards. Let's see. What else? Okay, Two of Wands. You are deciding whether to choose or not. You are deciding with this Two of Wands. You are at the crossroads. Okay, Aquarius. You are resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are taking care of yourself. You are thinking. You are in a thinking mode whether what to decide. Okay, you are taking your time, and it's very good, Aquarius. Very good. You are taking your time. You are deciding. You are at crossroads in your life because you don't want to be in a relationship or with these people. Yeah, see, hermit mode. You are looking into your own self through this light. You are looking answers from within. Okay, you want answers from yourself, from your within, from inside. You want to know that what my heart wants, and your heart wants something very beautiful, Aquarius. Your heart doesn't want this deceptive people in your life, this toxic people in your life. That's why you are turning into hermit mode. You are looking inside of you. Wow. Oh wow. Literally wow. What I'm having. Wheel of Fortune bottom of the deck. I'm having Wheel of Fortune. Okay, and it just flip out. This is Four of Wands, Aquarius. Some of you are going to have your twin flame very soon. You want to achieve this. This is your heart wants. Your twin flame, your soulmate, you want them in your life. That's why you are turning. Okay, I'm having this King of Wands. And it just flip out. Okay, so Wheel of Fortune, it's turning in your favor, Aquarius. Good fortune, it's coming towards you, Aquarius, because you are leaving these toxic energies behind. You are working so hard on your relationship, on yourself, on your money. Okay, so that's why you are getting new hopes and new desire, Aquarius. You are the star card, you are the star, you are the magical beings, you are the magician. Okay, Aquarius, you can manifest anything in your life. You have all the tools. That's why some stable offer is maybe it will be a small offer, but some stable offer is coming towards you. Okay, can you see a pentacle, Ace of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles? Maybe this person is younger than you. Okay, but you are going to receive some stable offer and you will get your clarity. Okay, Aquarius, you will get your clarity. No, don't worry about it. Okay, you are at your crossroads. You are deciding something. You want to take some action. You want to decide that path you want to choose. That's why you are turning into hermit mode. You are going within yourself to decide what your heart wants, and your heart wants this Four of Wands. Happy family. Can you see these two person are very happy? You want your twin flame soulmate with you. You are searching for them. 1111. Okay, Aquarius. So that was your reading, Aquarius. I can tell you one more thing from this reading, that if you are thinking too much about it, don't think about it, Aquarius, because you are already leaving those persons and relationship behind, and you are completing a karmic cycle here. There is a completion of a cycle. World card, new beginning in your life, and very beautiful energy around you right now. Okay, you are having very beautiful energy right now around you with this Ace of Pentacles. Maybe this person is younger than you, but you will get that clarity, Aquarius. You will get your clarity. You just have to decide. Okay, you just have to decide what you want, and you want this Four of Wands, happy card, celebration, family, twin flame, soulmate. You want your love partner with you, not your love partner, your soulmate with you. Have patience. Have patience, Temperance card. Okay, so have patience, Aquarius. Whatever you are going through, it will be over, because very good decision. You are walking away from those toxic persons and relationship, because you already put all your efforts. Can you see these two cards? You already done your work. You already done your hard work, putting your efforts, every single efforts in that relationship, in your life, on money or love. I'm not doing a career reading, I'm doing relationship, so I'm taking Pentacles as love. Okay, Aquarius, but you can switch it according to your story. Okay, you are working so hard on your Pentacles, on your basically love relationships, and you have done your part, Aquarius. Okay, you have put all the efforts, whatever you can do, you have done it in your relationship. But that energy was not good for you, Aquarius, because the energy was deceptive, manipulative, toxic, sneaking away. Okay, that energy was not good, Aquarius. This energy is not good for you. So that's why you are rising as a star. New hopes and new desire is come. You want new hopes and new desires in your life, Aquarius. That's why you are walking away from this partner. Okay, Aquarius. Beautiful reading. So let's see what else I am having. Beautiful reading, Aquarius. Love this reading. Let's add some. Let's add something else you want to know. Numerology deck. I'm using numerology deck for you. Let's see what else I can tell you from this. Let's see. Help me out, guides, gods, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. And one more thing, I don't do reversals, Aquarius, okay? I don't take reversals in my reading. So I hope it resonates with you. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let me see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Okay. What are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Teaching and learning. Beautiful Aquarius. You are teaching maybe some of you are teachers, and you are also learning your lessons, basically, Aquarius, of your life in your really from these past hurts or from these persons. You are learning, you are growing. Very nice, superb energy, Aquarius. And okay, health. Some of you are some of you have to take care of your health, Aquarius. Okay, so take care of your health, Aquarius. Health is very much important. Okay, so you just have to take care of your health. Okay, let's see what else I can tell you from this numerology deck. Help me out to give the best positive messages I have to deliver. Forgiveness. Yes, forgiveness is there. So forgive every single toxic or whatever the person is. Okay, just forgive them. Okay, and forgive yourself too, Aquarius. Very important thing. Okay, you just have to forgive them. Just have to forgive them and yourself to move ahead. Don't carry the burdens. Okay, Aquarius, just close that thing completely. Okay, this is whole deck. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, teaching and learning. Maybe some of you are learning, teaching some important things, because Aquarius are very creative, unique persons. Okay, full of energy. Love is coming towards you. Once you forgive them, you will receive your love, your twin flame, your soulmate, Aquarius, in your life. So just forgive those persons who hurt you, who treat you very badly in life. Just forgive them. Okay, and forgive yourself too, so that this love can enter in your life. Once you release all the burdens, all toxic energy, or some whatever it is there, just release them. Release all those burdens, Aquarius. That's what I'm getting. Just take care of your health. Okay, and love is there in your life. It's coming towards you. Once you forgive them, you will receive your love. Let's see what else I can tell you from this numerology. Okay, I got 3 actually. Self-love. That is 9 of Pentacles. That's what it is. I can tell you like this. Self-love is very important, Aquarius. You just have to love yourself first. No one is going to love you if you are not loving yourself. So you have to be, self-love is very important, and you are loving yourself first. So love yourself first, Aquarius. You have to love yourself first. Okay, you don't have to expect this love from other person. You have to take care of yourself first. You have to love yourself. Do what your heart wants, Aquarius. 9 of Pentacles, that was your in the main reading too. Self-love is indicated, Aquarius. Beautiful. And effort. Yeah, you are putting all the efforts in the in the relationship. Okay, with this 8 of Pentacles, yeah, you are putting all the efforts. See, all the efforts you are putting to save the relationship, to save the person, but it's not working. So let it be, Aquarius, let it be. Forgive and move away. You are already moving away with this Five of Pentacles. I have seen it, Aquarius. So effort, and if you're not putting effort in yourself, you have to put effort in your self love, Aquarius. Creativity, put effort in creativity too. You are very creative. You are born creatives and imaginative persons, intuitive persons, Aquarius. You must know about yourself first, Aquarius. 2020 was the time. Creativity, use your creativity, Aquarius. You are born creatives. You are born with so many beautiful qualities that so no other person, no other zodiac sign is having. You are the magicians, you are the star card, Aquarius. So know your worth, you deserve better, Aquarius. Rebirth is the bottom of the deck I am having. So yeah, you are taking rebirth, ending, completing a cycle and taking, see, rebirth. The world card was there in your main reading too. So ending of a cycle and taking a rebirth in your life. So beautiful energy, Aquarius. Beautiful, beautiful messages. Thank you so much, God, universe, every single positive energy to tell me the best positive messages for my beautiful, lovely, magical beings, Aquarius. You are wonderful, Aquarius. So let's see, I can add some numerology cards for you. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Help me out to give the best positive messages. So many messages for you, but I'm not going to take it. Let's see what are the messages you want me to deliver for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Help me out to give the best positive messages I need to deliver to my beautiful, magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Let's see what are the messages. See, again, so many messages. I think there are so many messages for you, and bottom of the deck is I am having confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. Confidence is the key to your success. Can you see it? Okay, can you see it? Confidence is the key to success. Yes, Aquarius, you have to be confident in your life. So many message. Okay, I'm going to read it out for you, no worry. Okay, I think God wants so many messages for you. 2255 was the time at this time. So yeah, God want me to deliver so many messages for you. Maybe you are requiring so many messages, Aquarius. There are so many messages. So let's see. Take time to breathe out. Go in the nature, Aquarius. Go in the nature and breathe out. Take time for yourself. Okay, take care of your health. Go in the nature, take fresh air. Okay, walk for some time. Okay, you need right now time to breathe out. It's time to take action. New moon in Aries. Okay, it's time to take action, Aquarius. Enough of bullshit deceptive energy. You just have to walk away. Okay, and now it's the time to take action. Luck is on your side, Aquarius. New moon in Sagittarius. Luck is on your side. Don't worry about it. Luck is on your side. You are blessed. You are already blessed person, Aquarius. You are blessed with beautiful energies, beautiful quality, beautiful luck. God is on your side. Luck is on your side. He is there to help you out. Just you have to be confident, Aquarius, because confidence is a key to success. You don't have to give up. Show the world real you. What a beautiful message, Aquarius. Full moon in Aquarius. This is you. That's what I'm telling you. Show the real you, Aquarius. You don't have to give up. You always move ahead. You always, stay strong and fight with these all bullshit craps. You are cutting those peoples and toxic things in your life, and you're moving ahead. And it's time to take action. Show the world the real you. Beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Beautiful message. show the world real Aquarius. What are you? A real warrior, fighter, rebel. Okay, rebel with a cause, not without a cause. Okay, Aquarius, you are rebel with a cause. Surrender to the divine. Yes, very important message. You just have to trust God, Aquarius. Whatever He has having plans for you, they are very beautiful. Right now, maybe some of you thinking that why this is happening with me, why this is happening with me. But don't worry, God has better plans for you. You don't know it right now, but later on you will get to know that God has beautiful plans for you, Aquarius. Okay, He is taking care of it. Just you have to surrender yourself to the divine. Surrender yourself to the divine, Aquarius. Trust them. Step out of your comfort zone. Okay, Aquarius, you need to step out from your comfort zone. It's time to take action. So many beautiful, wonderful messages for you, Aquarius, and these are wonderful messages that I'm getting, and it's been, I think that some of you are requiring to listen these messages. That's why I'm getting so many messages for you. You just need to get out. You just need to step out of your comfort zone, and your dreams need a practical plan, Aquarius. I know you are the dreamers. You are the born dreamers. You are the achievers, Aquarius. But your dreams need a practical plan. So make a practical plan, Aquarius. God is telling you, divine is giving messages through me, that you have to take time. You have to you have to take a practical plan for your dreams, Aquarius. Just you need to get out of your step. You have to step out of your comfort zone. Okay, Aquarius, show the world. Okay, show the world who are you. And I'm proud of you, Aquarius. Literally, I'm feeling very proud of you. I know some of you are going through a very difficult times right now in relationships, but that was better for you, Aquarius. That they person were there in your life to teach your self-worth. Okay, Aquarius, to make you a better person. Okay, Aquarius, to make you a stronger version of Aquarius. And see what else I'm having. Prosperity lies ahead. Beautiful, Aquarius. Move ahead with confidence. Move ahead. You don't have to fear anything, Aquarius. If you're feeling fear, you don't have to feel any fear, Aquarius. You just have to step out from your comfort zone, Aquarius. Your dreams need a practical plan, and prosperity is lying ahead. Okay, so don't worry about it. Wow. A new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. Wow. So yes, Aquarius, you are already completing a cycle. This old cycle, you are already completing it, and you are starting a new romantic cycle. So yes, soon you are going to meet your soulmate, Aquarius. Okay, you just have to surrender yourself to the divine. Once you surrender to the divine, He will take care of it. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. Your commitment is being tested. Your commitment is being tested. I will read it out from my thing. And have faith in your dreams. That is very important. You have to take care. And dreams is, some of you are planning something to do. Your dreams are there. You want to achieve them. But your dreams need a practical plan. You have to, trust your dreams. Okay, you have to have a faith in your dreams, Aquarius. Okay, so confidence is a key to success. So let's see what is the meaning of this card. Your commitment is being tested. Let's see. Okay, universe is going to test you, Aquarius. Okay, universe is testing you. There could be some challenges coming your way, but they are just the universe way of testing you. The first quarter moon calls for you to face any hurdles with confidence. What do you actually think is possible? If you believe you can do it, then you probably can. If you spend your life affirming that something is too big for you to surmount, or probably is, see how it works. Do you believe your dreams will come true, or have you secretly already given up. Showing some commitment now will help you move towards your desired outcome. What will you believe to be true is true for you. So believe in yourself. Beautiful message, Aquarius. That's what I'm getting for you. So yes, Aquarius, right now there is a time to breathe out. It's time to take action, Aquarius. Don't worry about it. Luck is on your side. Show the world real you. What my Aquarius are. What are you? You are a fighter, warrior, rebel with a cause. Just start your life with, with full confidence, full faith, Aquarius. Have faith, have trust to the divine. That divine has a better, best plans for you, Aquarius. Okay, you just need to step out of your comfort zone, and your dreams are, you have to see dreams, right? You have to get goals in your life, but your goals, your dreams need a practical plan. It will not complete by sitting somewhere. Okay, so you need a practical plan to achieve that dreams. Don't worry, Aquarius, prosperity is lying ahead. And can you see one more thing I'm telling you? Taurus, both of this is Taurus. Full moon in Taurus, new moon in Taurus. So yeah, some of you are dealing with Taurus, but don't worry, this Taurus sign, this bullish energy, this resembles strength. They want to give you strength, basically, Aquarius. New romantic cycle begins, new moon in Libra. So don't worry, Aquarius, new things are coming your way. You just have to, stand up again with your full confidence, and your commitment is being tested. Divine is testing you whether you are having faith in your dreams or not, whether you are confident or not. Okay, whether you trust divine or not. Okay, so just you have to move ahead with more full confidence. Okay, just surrender to divine. Whatever he will decide best for you. Okay, these were the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. So let me add you a spirit guide, spirit animal oracle deck. So I'm going to use it for you. Let's add messages. What animal spirit wants to tell you? Let's see. Let me adjust. 1 minute. Beautiful, wonderful reading, Aquarius. I'm getting the vibes of, energetic. I'm getting the vibes of confidence in me right now. So yeah, I'm feeling very energetic, very confident, and that's what you have to feel right now, Aquarius. Don't worry about it. Whatever happens, it was there to teach you something very beautiful, to make you more strong, to make you understand that you deserve something very beautiful. You are already abundant in everything. My Aquarius are unique. So let's see, what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius? Help me out to give the best positive messages. What are the messages you want me to deliver? Help me out to give the best positive messages to my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. Be spirit. Sweet results await. Wow, that's what I was telling you. That don't worry about it, Aquarius. Prosperity is lying ahead for you. It's waiting for you. You have already done your part. You just need to surrender yourself to the divine so that the sweet results can come in your life. And it's very beautiful. Sweet results. Okay, it just fell out. Sweet results are waiting for you, Aquarius. Be spirit is there. Then dear spirit, bring a gentle touch. Dear spirit is there. Be a gentle touch. Let's see what else I'm having. Any other message you want me to deliver? Okay. Oh, see, that's what I was telling you, Quiet spirit. Trust in divine detours. Trust in God. Can you see? Trust in divine contours. Sorry, detours. Trust in God. Trust in God. Trust in universe. Trust in, just surrender yourself to the divine. He is going to take care of you. Okay, Aquarius? Electric L spirit, bring your ideas to life. That's what the message I'm getting for you in every single deck, that you just have to take a practical plan for your dreams. Okay, Aquarius, bring your ideas, your creativity in your life. Start your life, Aquarius. Let the people know, let the world know how strong and wonderful and unique are my Aquarius are. Any other message? One more message if you want to give. That's what I am getting right now. I think there is one more message for you. See, elephant spirit. Learn from the past. Yes, Aquarius. Whatever has happened, it has happened to make you understand the lessons. It's very important. If you don't learn the lessons, okay, Aquarius, it is going to repeat it again. God will make you understand again and again and again. It will repeat you again and again to make you understand that what are your lessons. So learn from the past, okay? Just learn from the past and forgive it and move ahead. So that what the message is for my beautiful lovely Aquarius. Okay, wonderful. Thank you, spirit, animal spirits, for giving the beautiful messages for my lovely beautiful Aquarius. And see, one more time I'm going to repeat the messages. Sweet results are waiting for you, Aquarius. Okay, you just have to trust. Okay, sweet results are waiting for you. Bring a gentle touch. Okay, Aquarius. Trust in divine detours. Trust in divine plans. Okay, whatever he has decided best for you. So surrender yourself to the divine. Electric L spirit, bring your ideas to life. Whatever you are planning right now, whatever you are feeling, these are my ideas. Just bring them into actions, Aquarius. They are requiring a practical plan. Elephant spirit, learn from your past, Aquarius. Learn from the past, okay? Learn the lessons which God want to make you understand, okay? And just move ahead. So Aquarius, these were your lovely beautiful messages. I hope it resonate with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. And let me know in the comment section what are you want to ask. If you want to ask anything, I will be very happy. I will be very glad to help you out in some manner. And I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. Okay. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, Aquarius. So that I can help you out to give your best positive messages I can deliver, okay, to you. And one more thing, I'm going to do your bonus readings, okay, so you can also check that video. And I hope you are beautiful, magical, lovely Aquarius. You are going to take your dreams into actions, Aquarius, okay? Just trust your God, to surrender yourself to the divine, okay? He is having something very sweet, okay? Results are waiting for you. So let me tell you one more thing. Take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon. Bye.